going to make sure that our data set is arranged from smallest to biggest. So here it was not arranged. You cannot use it when it's like that. You need to arrange it first. Ne? That is the first thing. Perfect. And then now when it's arranged, it's easy to get your Q1, your Q2, and your Q3. Right. Sharp. And then we'll need to get IQR. We'll need to get semi, IQR. We'll need to get mode. We'll need to get range. Ne? Sharp. Okay, let me start with these two since they're easy. The range, remember, is the biggest, which is 56 minus 26. And we can see that the answer will be 20. Ne? Range is the biggest minus the smallest. So the answer will be 30, not 20. Sorry, ladies and gents. So now let's check. Mode is the most occurring. Ne? I see that, okay, 26, 28. I see that 33 occurs here and there. Okay, sharp. And then let's keep on going. I see that 42 occurs here and there. So in this case, we have a bimodal data. Ne? This data has two modes. So you write all of them that occurs the mode. So mode will be 33 and 42. Therefore, bimodal. Do you see it? Bimodal. It has two modes. Ne? Perfect. And then now let's get to quartiles. So to do quartiles, you firstly count how many numbers you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So which means to divide it into equal parts, you need to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this data set, this one here, divides it into two equal parts. Eh? Because you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then on the right, you also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see it? Perfect. Which means this guy here divides the data set into two equal parts. So that will be your Q2 in this case. So our Q2 is 38. And then on this side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be your Q1. Do you see it? Because you have 1, 2, 3, and then you have 1, 2, 3. Do you see it? And then here we can obviously see that our Q3 will be that guy there because 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So basically, the quartiles divide your data set into four equal parts. Ne? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have four quartiles we sorted. So our Q1 will be 31, and then our Q3 will be 45, right? Our interquartile range is Q3, which is 45, minus 31, which is our Q1. And what does that give us? 45 minus 31 should be, let's see, 14, right? And then semi means divided by 2, remember, of IQR. So it's interquartile range halved. Semi means half, so you get 7. And then we're done with this first data set. Let's do more examples. Before you watch the video on this one, ladies and gents, I advise you to pause the video and attempt it, and then resume. Ne? Find everything that I found previously. So we're going to find the range. Oh, wait, let me give it space. I'm going to write here. Ne? I'm going to say range. I'm going to say mode. Then here I'm going to say Q1. I'm going to say Q2. I'm going to say Q3. I'm going to say IQR. And then I'm going to say semi IQR. Ne? Let's see there now. We are going to basically have this. Ne? So the data set is already arranged. So we can easily see that the range is 10 minus 1, which gives us 9. Then the mode, we need the most occurring. So by the look of things, you can see that 4 occurs 3 times. So mode will be 4 in this case. Right. Now let's count how many data set we have. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Eh? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we're going to get our Q2. You always start with Q2. Let's see. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you must have the same on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And then we can see that, okay, if I have 6, it means I have to divide it here so that I'm going to have 1, 2, and 1, 2. You see it? And then here I'm going to divide it here, right? Perfect. So I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I divided it into 4 equal parts. That's what the quartiles do. This is my Q1. This is my Q2. That is my Q3. If you have two things, you add them. So I have 3 and 4, and then you divide them by 2. I have 5 and 6, and then I'm going to divide by 2. I have 8 and 9. I'm going to divide by 2. Let's see what the answers are. Here I have 7 over 2, which is 3.5. Here I have 11 over 2, which is 5.5. Here I have 17 over 2, which is 8.5. Right. Now we can do the interquartile range, which is Q3 minus Q1. Then we can see that the answer will be 5. And then semi-interquartile range, remember, it's interquartile range divided by 2, which will give you 2.5. And then that's it with this part. Okay, now let's do the last part of the video. Ne? I also advise you to pause again and try it, and then resume to see if you were right. So here we need to get range, we need to get mode, we need to get Q1, Q2, Q3, interquartile range, semi interquartile range. Okay, semi IQR. So to get the range, we're basically going to firstly ensure that our data set is arranged. In this case, it is. So we can see that our range will be the biggest minus the smallest, which is 13. Then the mode will be the most occurring, which is 5. Right. Then now, to do the quartiles, remember, we need to separate this into 4 equal parts first. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So obviously, position 5 will be dividing it into 2 equal parts. Let me see if I counted properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So position 5 will be dividing it into 2 equal parts because you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? And then obviously, if you have 4, it means you're going to separate here, right? So that you have 1 and 1. And then here you're going to separate there. So you divide it into 1, 1, 1, and 1. So this will be your Q1, sorry, Q2, and then Q3. So Q2 can see, Q1, we can see that it's 5 plus 5 over 2, which is 10. Then we can see that Q2 is 7. You can see that that one is 12 plus 14 over 2, which is 26 over 2, which is 13, right? You can see that IQR is the highest quartile or the upper quartile minus the lower quartile, which is 3. Then the semi-interquartile range is the interquartile range halved, which is 1.5. And that's it about this video, ladies and gents. If you found it really helpful, please advise your friends, classmates, family members to also come and enjoy our sessions in Maths Fanatics 24/7. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Tango.